Hey guys, today I'm going to give you the review about the one remote control RC crawler. So I bought it from the Amazon for around 1800 in sale, but actual price for this one is around 2100. Before buying this one, I did a lots of research. So I choose this one from the Amazon. It has a totally different type of concept with this. So if you guys like my video, subscribe it and hit the like button. Let's open it. This is the whiskey. I think they are the importer and they import from China and sell it in India. As you can see, this is not a made in India product. This is made in China. But look wise, it seems good. So let's open it. It's a little broken, but it's okay. It's just a box. I think this is the battery. Only one battery has given. So I think this battery is for this crawler. And for this remote control, you have to buy two new batteries from the market. As you can see it, it's a 500 mAh 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. And they haven't given any adapter. They gave only, like in box you will get only charging cable, so you have to use your own adapter. This is the remote control with on off switch. This is left, right, backward, forward, and there are many more they have given like diagonal, left diagonal, right diagonal, forward, back, left moving, right moving, and there is two dance mode actually, 1 2 3 mode and music mode. They gave some plastic screw. You have to open it from here. Keep these one aside. First look, it's really decent quality wise. It's almost I think half an kg weight, so weight wise also it's good. Sturdy look. I really like the wheels. They have cylindrical shapes, moving item they have introduced, but it's very solid and good. These wheels make it unique. So because of these wheels, it can move in a unique direction. Let's open here. We have to place this battery, so let's open it. You can see there is a connector, so here I have to connect this battery. I've connected it. We'll put it inside. And I will touch it. One negative point with this is like whenever you have to charge the battery, you have to open it, a screw, and take out the battery and charge it outside. They could have given some connector so that we can place it here, like jack it here and charge it. But anyway, if it's giving the good battery backup, it's okay, I think. Let's open this one. I have two Duracell battery, so I will use them. But you have to buy those cells from outside because they haven't provided that battery. So this Duracell rechargeable battery, I bought it from Amazon, so you can buy it the same, because it's really going to consume lots of battery. So if you won't buy that normal battery, if you buy it, you have to buy it again and again. If you buy it rechargeable, it's good actually, one time investment, but its battery life is very good. This battery I am using since last 2 years and it's still giving decent backup. This remote control is actually good, but not that good. I was expecting like they could have made like more decent and it's solid actually, but it's okay. So let's start it. This is the switch on button for the remote control, as you can see it. So it's blinking because it's not connected with the this RC crawler. So when I will switch on this RC crawler, there is a button to switch on and off. So it will automatically get connected and that blinking light will stop, as you can see it. So as you can see, only diagonal wheels are moving, so forward, backward. All wheels forward, backward. Dance mode, music mode. There's 1, 2, 3 mode something. On Amazon it has only 17 reviews, so I was really not sure how would be the quality of this one, but I really like it actually. Apart from this remote, but remote is also good actually, not that decent, but it's okay. But this crawler I really like it. Guys, I will give you the Amazon link and Flipkart link from where you can buy it. I bought it from Amazon for around 1800 in the sale. It's Whiskey 2.4 GHz RC crawler. It's 2.4 GHz. Range was given on the Amazon website like 10 meter. I haven't tried that one. Maybe I will try how distance it will cover. I will try to go away and we'll see how long this remote control works actually. I will try to go around 10 to 15 meter distance from here. Let's see. So actually I went around 50 feet distance from here, so it's working. Even I have went to different room from here, but still it's working actually. So you don't have to move behind that, run behind this one. You can sit at a place in open area and you can play it actually.